Rock Transformations Unit, Lesson 3.1, The Oldest Rock Formations on Earth. Activity 3, Discussing Annotations. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Next, you will look over your annotations and choose some to discuss. Let's review the different hashtags you'll use to select your annotations. Step 1, Prepare to Share. Choose an interesting question or connection to share with a partner. Tag it with hashtag share. Step 2, Discuss. Talk about your chosen annotation with a partner. Tag it with hashtag discussed if you were able to resolve your questions. Step 3, Prepare to Present. Choose an interesting or unanswered question to present to the class. Tag it with hashtag present. Students, review and mark your annotations with share. Discuss with a partner. Change the tags of the shared annotations to discussed if you think the partner discussion gave you a deeper understanding or if your tag questions were answered. Prepare for class discussion by choosing a question and marking it with present. You can choose the same annotation you discussed with your partner if your question is still unresolved. Let's discuss your questions and see if we can answer them as a class. What interesting or unanswered questions do you still have about the article? We'll have a brief class discussion. Did you find that the strategy of asking deeper questions while reading was useful? Is it possible for rocks to stop changing? Asking deeper questions can slow reading down and interfere with the flow of reading in some cases. But when reading difficult texts, such as science texts, it is often very important to employ this strategy. The article is about metamorphic rock, a type we haven't discussed yet. How is metamorphic rock different from the other types of rock we've been studying? You might respond, metamorphic rock is formed through a different process. It is transformed from igneous and sedimentary rocks by heat and pressure deep underground. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Vocabulary: metamorphic rock. The rock type formed when heat or pressure deep underground changes existing rock. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Review your annotations and then answer the reflection question. End of activity. Be sure to complete all your student work in Amplify for this activity before moving on.